Hello everyone, this is Mark with MHTalerts.com and today is May 16th, 2013. The time is 12:35 a.m. Central Daylight Time, and this is a solar flare alert. This is a space weather alert as well. We got possible impact for a CME on May 17th. So what we got here is Sunspot 1748 that's been causing major X-class solar flare eruptions. Right now it says here a coronal mass ejection or CME has hurled its way into space by an X1 flare by May 15th or on May 15th that might deliver a glancing blow to Earth's magnetic field on May 17th. NOAA forecasters estimate a 40% chance of polar geomagnetic storms when the cloud arrives. So could be a possibility of already an S1 class geomagnetic storm that's happening or it's going to happen. That's a prediction of the NOAA forecasters. Now 1748 is a sunspot that we'll be watching over the next week as it continues to roll around the sun and head to our direction. So we're watching 1745 as well. Doesn't seem to be much of activity happening there, but we'll watch it continuously. Um, and another X flare on May 15th, and that's what we're talking about, the CME here on the 17th that could impact part of our geomagnetic field. It says here, now this is a summary of AR 1748 here in the past couple of days of its activity, what's been happening. It says here AR 1748 has produced an X.17 class flare at 0217 UT on May 13th, and X 2.8 class flare 1609 UT on May 13th, and X 3.2 class flare 0117 UT on May 14th, and yet another X1 class flare 0152 on May 15th. And to think that this thing is about to face our planet in a couple of days, we have to keep watch on it, and hopefully nothing bad will happen with this. Now on the bottom here it says ion waves in the atmosphere. This has a little chart which you can take a look at. It says although AR 1748 is not directly facing Earth, its strong flares have nevertheless affected our atmosphere. UV and X radiation hitting the top of our atmosphere. It says looks like ion zones or isones. Sorry about that. Atoms and molecules creating ion waves over dayside planet of, it says Roberto Bartolio detected these waves on May 13th. So I'm sorry if I mispronounced that name there. But I mean, we're talking about some major X-class eruptions off of this sunspot, folks. So as it moves on to face our planet, we may have to watch this very close over the next few days and see if it'll rotate on our side. So if that's what happens, we'll watch it, and I'll continue to put out the alerts if I can. Now, if I'm not able to put the alerts, because I do work, if I'm not able to put out the alerts, I would suggest going to the site, spaceweather.com. There's also another site, which is a great site, at solarham.net. And this site here, solarham.net, I actually deal with these people because I'm a ham radio operator, and that's why they call it Solar Ham for amateur radio. The guy's name here is VE3EN, and for those of you who don't know, mine is KC5 FAB. That's Foxtrot Alpha Bravo, and that's a very good site there. And of course, you see the latest updates on the left side. So taking a look at the spaceweather.com again, you can actually get text and voice alerts sent to your cell phone, which is a very good service to monitor the space weather activity. So once again, folks, I want to thank everybody for watching. Stay alert on this. I'll stay alert with the space weather, the hurricanes, and the earthquakes as I always do. But more so, the hurricane season coming up. In fact, I just did a video on Tropical Storm Alvin, which is in the Eastern Pacific. So stay alert for all of that information. So once again, I want to thank everybody again for watching. Stay alert, be cool, and have a nice day.